Painting.
Today we have a drawing session.
Red is my favorite color. Now we can start painting. That sounds very interesting.
Yes. Let me see.
A flower! Yes! Wow! Blue, of course!
What is this?
No!
Don't be sad. Try again.
Yes! Red, please. Red is my favorite color. Yes!
Let me see.
Oh, it's the dog. Yes! You're just drawing a dinosaur. You're just drawing a dinosaur. That sounds very interesting, Daddy Pig. This is Pinky.
Daddy's painting isn't spoiled, Peppa. It's perfect.
Peggy's family had so much fun in the painting session. Right, children, please practice drawing to develop your imagination. This is a cartoon that teaches children how to live. Please click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to see new and good videos.
Mom's special gift.
Hey! Come play with me. No!
Here is a gift for you.
The box is so beautiful.
This is a little gift for you.
I think so. Here. I can't stop laughing. No! Just help me!
Oh my God.
Hey, what happened? No! She looks very lovely.
The Pinky brothers have a very rich imagination. Everyone, please love animals like the Pinky